morning, everybody. No, sorry, let me try that again. Good morning and what up, my nostalgia. Oh shit, I'm supposed to turn. Fuck. Anyways, it is Friday. Okay, I'll get gas on my way back. It's Friday and I'm driving on empty. But I was just thinking that I want to make vegan chili. So from the last vlog, a lot of you guys were saying, oh, I should do like more cooking or more plant-based cooking stuff. So I'm going to make chili. I'm going to make chili today, and I'm going to go to Loblaws right now to pick up all the ingredients that I need and pick up any little groceries. I don't have any groceries in the house. I've literally just been eating broccoli, quinoa, and beans. That's all I've been eating. But I've lost some weight, guys. I am 5 pounds away from where I need to be. So I'm happy. So I'm gonna continue eating properly. So I'm gonna go to Loblaws right now. It's 9:25. I want to get all this grocery shopping done before, like, I want to get home by the latest 10:30 is what I'm trying to say. So I am gonna go do that right now, pick up all this stuff, and then when I get home I'll show you guys what I could do a little grocery store haul. I'll show you guys what I picked up from the store. But yeah, I'm chilling right now. I feel like I've been working this is dusty. I've been working so hard, and I haven't forgot about school, but I do have an assignment due on Sunday that I have yet to start. So I feel like I need to like get my life together a little bit on the school side of things, because I finish school next month and I have a deadline that I want to meet before all my assignments are due. So besides that, like, I really have to like buckle down and like get all my schoolwork done, because I've been picking up mad shifts. And guys, I got my first 2 paychecks since working front desk and since working at before and after school. And let's just say the pay is nice. Like, the pay is nicing me more than my full-time job, and that's because I'm putting in work. So you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes in order to be where you want to be, you have to lose sleep. So you know what I'm saying? You got to hustle while everybody else is sleeping. So that's literally just been my motto. Just work hard, push on YouTube, push in real life, and kind of just get my life together. But I'm about to go into Loblaws right now. Whenever I get into these car talks, I start rambling. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm about to park my car, and we're going to get this grocery shopping done. All right, so it's 10 o'clock, finished grocery shopping in like half an hour. I'm going to go home, change off, and then I'm going to show you guys what I bought, and we're going to start cooking. So I've decided to make some for Noah and some for myself, because he can't have spicy food and he likes chili. And I know my mom would appreciate if I made him something. The last time I made him chili, I gassed. That's what I had to get. Shit. The last time I made him chili, I put too much spice in it, and it was so hard to cut it down. We kept having to add sugar to it, and like, it just didn't end up going well. So I'm just gonna add less seasoning to his, and more like tomato sauce, and like add a lot of garlic just to get the flavor and stuff for the chili. So that's what I'm gonna do for him. He likes chili and he likes quinoa, so I'm gonna make some quinoa for him, and I'm gonna put it aside, and then I'm gonna make the chili for him. And in both chilies, I think I'm gonna add sweet potatoes, because my mom had bought a bunch of sweet potato, and she just want them to go bad, so I'm gonna use them up today. So we're gonna cook. I'm a little excited. Yes, I don't have my seatbelt on. All right, I'm home now, and just gonna jump straight into things. I'm gonna light a candle because it's about to get real. So I'm lighting one of my mom's candles. This is a Bath and Body Works candle. I was gonna take a nap, but I'm like, you know what? Oh, I almost burnt my nail. I'm like, you know what? If there's time after this, I'll take a nap. But right now, I kind of just wanna do this. So, put my lighter back, because every time that I bring a lighter out here, I never get them back. I guess I have like 7 or 8 lighters, but we're not gonna discuss that. Okay, so Let me go. We're gonna do a grocery store haul first. Now that I've been vlogging with my camera, I hate vlogging with my phone, but it is what it is. We're gonna do this now. All right, so I'm gonna start off with my packaged things. So I got these veggie chips. I love these. It's like my guilty pleasure snack. We got mushrooms, which I'm gonna use for the chili, so I'm gonna put that aside. I got 2 of these. Frozen broccoli. 2 cans of beans, 1 black bean and 1 red. I always buy beans. It's the easiest thing to eat if you like your plant-based. We got vegan vegetable broth cubes, so I'm gonna use that for the chili. We got vegetarian chili powder, diced tomatoes used for the chili, coconut oil because that's all I use to cook. I only use coconut oil to cook. A bag of these baby avocados. It was cheaper than buying them separate, so I just bought these. We got the vegan plant-based meat. I know I said I wasn't gonna use this stuff, but it is what it is. It hasn't been like affecting me in any way. It doesn't have any harmful ingredients, so whatever. Thyme. This one is Jamaican style thyme, and it's cheaper than buying the organic packaged one, so I bought those. More tomatoes for the chili. I love these because they're just so cute. And I got a bunch of grapefruit. I got 4 grapefruits. Citrus is really good, so I got 4 of these. They're huge. And I got 4 lemons. I use lemon to make warm water and lemon at night, or I'll do lemon water. So I got 4 lemons. Let's see. We got carrots for the chili, organic garlic, scallion, green pepper, and the yellow onion. So these are the things that I got from grocery shopping. All right, so these are the beans that I'm using. I'll probably turn it around. We have bean medley, red kidney beans, diced tomatoes, seasoning. So we have pink Himalayan salt. You guys can read all this, all this stuff. And then these are our vegetables. So we have onions, green peppers, carrots, thyme, all this stuff that we're using here. And this is pretty much all you need for the chili. So from here on out, you're not going to hear me because I want to listen to some music. Also, I'm looking forward to Tory Lanez new album coming out called Chicks Tape. He just released a single with T-Pain. It's called Jerry Sprunger. If you have not listened to it, go listen to it. The song is lit. Anyways, I'm going to go cook now so you guys won't hear me for the rest of the video. We're just going to be cooking. So I'm going to go wash the vegetables and all that stuff, and then we're going to get started. So that's pretty much what the chili looks like. Oh, music. Yeah, so that's pretty much what the chili looks like right now. It's just, everything is just simmering in the pot. Noah's is over here. I made sure like I crushed his out. He loves chili. This is my first time making vegan chili, and one thing I do notice is not as dark because it's not ground meat. And this time around I didn't crush out the kidney beans. So usually when everything gets a little bit softer, I kind of use a potato masher and just mash everything down to get a little bit thicker. But right now I added the chili seasoning, and I'm just gonna let the flavors run its course. I'm gonna eat something, and then I'm going to finish this. It is 11:30, so perfect, because this is the time. This is the time I said I wanted to finish making the chili, just because I have to go back to work for 2:45. So at least this gives me some time to relax. I'll wash up the dishes a little bit after. It's honestly looking really good. It's looking really good. The final test will be like how it tastes. And I added a lot of vegetables in mine because I just love vegetables, and a lot in Noah's as well. So I'm gonna finish all this and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So this is what my chili turned out to be. It tastes so good. It's still hot. It tastes so good. I'm not even like just saying it to say it. Nah, it tastes really good. I'm shook right now. Like, I kind of just freestyled it and it turned out really good. This hood is making my head look really round, but you guys don't want to see what's underneath this hood. But it tastes good. And I just added some more hot sauce. It tastes like chili. Hey guys, I regret not taking a nap because I started falling asleep and I'm exhausted. I'm just gonna lay here a little longer. Good night. Okay, so I'm getting ready to leave now. Put my wig back on. And this is what I'm wearing to work. Just this cozy leggings and sweater. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm heading out to work right now, and I just wanted to end the vlog real quick. I have my scarf on because I'm not trying to get sick. I have things to do in the next few weeks. My brother and my sister-in-law's baby shower is coming up, and I got a lot of stuff to get done for that, so I don't want to get sick. So I've still been taking my garlic pills and sleeping with my diffuser. I hope my Bluetooth isn't on. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I have my smoothie with me. It's just pineapples, blueberries, coconut milk. That's it. I didn't feel like putting any spinach in it today. So that's what I have, and I have my alkaline water, and I have my work uniform for tonight. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm not up to much this weekend. My mom's birthday was on Tuesday, so tomorrow I'm taking her out to dinner, like a late dinner. We have reservations at the Cactus Club Cafe at Sherway Gardens, so we're doing a late dinner at like 9. I'm excited to take her out. She doesn't really get to like dress up and go out and have a good time much often. I mean, she doesn't get to really dress up and have a good time a lot, so I'm really happy to take her out for her birthday. I already gave her her gift, so we're gonna go out for dinner and just enjoy the evening. So I hope you guys have had a good week and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and have a surprise coming up for you guys soon, okay? Very soon. So once I get all that stuff in order, I will tell you guys what it is. I might not reveal it until next month, since it's the holiday season. So I'm really just out here just working, getting my money on, and taking care of myself, so I want you guys to do the same. So I'm gonna get going now, and yeah, I will probably see you guys soon. I might vlog with my mom tomorrow. She might not want to be on camera, I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna vlog how the evening goes and how my day goes and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.